I can just remember the fidgets. They were just so much fun. I miss them. Hey, Patrick! Yeah? Wanna do fidget trades? Okay, that seems like a good idea. I'll go call the gang. Okay, looks like we're doing fidget trades. I'll go get my stuff. Wait. Where did all my fidgets go? Huh? Where did they all go? I'll go look for them. Hey, guys, I brought the fidgets and the guys over, and I just found the center. My free fidgets! Well, all my fidgets! Dude! Oh, thank you. Where did you find them? I just
Guys, on the play! You just start our fidgeting now, guys.
Yeah, let's do this.
Yeah, come on, let's fix your fidgets, guys.
Okay, well, I gotta actually clean up.
No, I don't think we can fix
Sweater, just go get your fidgets, okay?
Fix your fidgets.
Okay. Anyways, I'm just gonna go clean up my fidgets. Go! Oh, I better open my
No.
shop.
Where's nobody go in my shop?
Shop.
They're back! Somebody stop! Oh, that's what he said. No. Peg, I'm taking it.
Oh my gosh! Oh, fat! I found it! I want that so bad. That's it! I know exactly what I'm gonna do. It's so beautiful! I can even image it in my mind. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, it even came to me for a second. Oh, I know. I'm gonna throw this at it. It's gonna be so good and so delicious. Let's see if it hits. Come on, please hit. I got it. Time to bring it back to my shop. Hopefully no one notices. It didn't work on Spongebob because he had that stupid snake. But it might work on Gary. Let's see if it works. I forgot he was right there. I have to be right there.
Hey! What is that type of my fidget? My fidget!
No, that's mine.
Sorry.
This stupid thing doesn't work. Oh, I'm going to use it to whip Patrick's booty. Because I just want to, because he's so annoying. Ow, what the frick was that?
Hey, Pat, I got another trade.
Oh, cool, okay.
I'm trading these poppies for this. What is the poppet? What is it? The drink?
Oh, the drink is at the very bottom. It's a bit sandy. I was at the beach earlier today.
So I've got soda and we were together.
Ow.
So
I know, dude.
This pop, you can have 2 of them.
Ow!
And then
I got hit again. Sorry, this hand is whipping me in the face.
And this unicorn. That's just not on for trade. It's not on for trade. These.
Ow! Sorry. Go on.
So these poppets for that.
Okay. Ow! What? Stop it, dude. Who is that? Nobody can know, Patrick. Nobody can know. What the frick was that?
That's a
Dude, Squid, wait, SpongeBob, do you know what's going on? I keep on getting whipped by this weird thing.
Wait, what's this?
SpongeBob, you're getting whipped by it too.
Hey, get off me! Let me just...
SpongeBob, what is that? What is it?
These must be Squidwards. This hand, remember we got it in the shops?
Oh.
I got some trades, okay? Can you just listen?
Yeah, I'm trying to. That's it. I'm gonna keep this hand. No! I gotta keep He's keeping my hand. Oh, finally. I finally got this. I'm gonna go put this in here. Right, SpongeBob?
That's away. What about that trade?
Oh, yeah. Hey, wait. Let me just close this lid. Oh, I better hurry up in that trade, actually. I'm not gonna close it. Nobody's gonna take it.
Come on, gotta do that trade, Patrick.
Yep. Okay, so these 2 poppets for this seems like a pretty good deal, but wait a minute. I remember something just like this. Something really weird like this. Like the time... I remember it. I was so over for that freaking SpongeBob thing, and he still didn't trade me. I know exactly what I'm gonna say. You know what, SpongeBob?
Yeah?
I nearly got my fidgets back. Mr. Squiddy's just got a bit of an idea. I'm gonna well, why am I telling you? You'll just have to find out.
What? You decline! But that's so
You still got it.
This pop tube? Do you remember this fucking pop tube?
It wasn't as broken, dude. You know what? Get your...
That SpongeBob was on my birthday cake. Please.
You know what? Get the stupid fidget.
Hey!
Give me my fidget, SpongeBob. You're not like this.
Fine.
Leave.
Wait. I remember that time. That one time. That he put a whoopee cushion to actually someone on me. It all goes back on that scene.
I can't believe he would do this. Like, why is he so mean? I'm gonna go fix my fidgets up. He's not there. I didn't even have to do my plan. It all went into place, which is good. Oh, he's hearing me.
Do this alone, and I know Squidward won't help me. Gary, no Gary. Hey Gary, yes, have any plates? Juicy Patrick fidgets. No, but I got another idea about Patrick. What is that idea? How about him kissing his little willy? Oh, that's not the idea, Gary, but the idea is pranking him. What? Not do that to my Patty. What? I gotta fade out. Do this alone, huh? Why is this rope doing here? Sneaky. I had the perfect plan, guys.
Dude, broski. I'm back from the bathroom, dude, broski.
Hey, Patrick.
Yeah?
Do you want this free fidget?
Are you sure I can just take it?
Yeah, you can just take it. It's really good.
Okay. Why'd you tie me up?
Cause I've got a plan.
Ow! 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 Oh my god, I'm getting on this action. Ow! What are you hitting?
Oh, Squidward!
What do you want to hit me for? Ow! Why do you want to hit me? Because you're the reason.
Let me back like a boomerang.
Ow! I'm untied.
In sign. Oh, Patty, I have to go get him. Hi-ya! Get back in your shop.
Gary, you saved me. You get a 10. You get a free fidget. Gary.
Yes!
Gary, you know what? Where's my free fidget I was going to give you? Oh, there it is. There you go, Gary.
Yes! Beauty Patrick, give it to me. Ooh, la, la, la.
Oh, wait, SpongeBob, I better go say sorry to him. Hey, SpongeBob, I'm sorry for declining that trade.
Wait, what trade?
You know, the trade where I declined, and everything like that. You know what I declined you? Hardly, even though it was an unfair trade.
What?